This is David Heller, company's Heller Industries from Florham Park, New Jersey. Our fleet of machines that exist out in the world use about a gigawatt of power every day. So this is a lot of juice, and we have thought about what can we do to reduce the consumption and our footprint in the world. So over the years, whenever we come out with a new machine, we always have a goal of 10, 15, 20% reduction in power. We've also started moving ahead recently because after the war in Ukraine, our European customers saw exploding energy prices. So we very quickly came up with an even lower consumption machine. As always, there are compromises in design. You can't have everything and lower power consumption, but because the costs were going up to, 50 cents a dollar per kilowatt hour, they were very interested in low consumption. We did a study for one of our customers. They said, what can we do? We showed them exactly what each change would do to contribute to halving our power consumption. And they've adopted some of them, not all, but some of them. So we know what we need to do as customers are more and more interested in low power consumption. There are certain compromises, for example, with heat transfer. If you want to have forced convection, top and bottom, that requires more energy. If you're willing to compromise and have forced convection on the top, but perhaps IR on the bottom, that generally reduces power consumption.
Excellent.
Some of it is easier though. Dual lane increases power consumption by maybe 10%, but you get twice the throughput.
Yeah.
It's a no-brainer.